Sending your demo to a major label at 16 will humble ya. I opened the mail and stumbled upon a reply. Fumbled to get it open, I read it then wondered why. They said they were not interested, I'm shocked they took out the time to send me a letter back, 'cause the music was pretty whack. I kept it still all intact, I bet it matter of fact. Few years later, Rockets 50 said they'll put us on the map. It ain't crack like that. I thought we finally made it, dropping projects back to back. Talking to syntax, I was honestly confused why they were putting out the records that they chose to. Now it's like break's over, we dropped a song a week. I learned so much from hanging with the guys over at Reach. But Lecrae was clear that we were way too underground, even though Kendrick and Cole started to bubble now. I guess he never really saw the vision, but it's cool, I'm grateful for all the wisdom. Confused at times for all the rap cosigns, but what do I know? I'm just trying to get mines. Back on my solo grind, still trying to find a home. I couldn't sign to a label, so I started my own. And then I signed myself, then I signed my bros into the Dream Junkies.